Alright, today we're going to learn about coordinate planes. But first we're going to have a little review. How to label a number line. Alright, so 0 is in the middle, and we all know that positives go this way, and negatives go this way. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Alright, some definitions to keep in mind. Coordinate plane is the plane determined by a horizontal number line called the x-axis and a vertical number line called the y-axis, intersecting at a point called the origin. The origin is the point where the x-axis and y-axis meet, and that would be this right here. That was the origin. That's 0, 0. X-axis is the horizontal line on the plane, and the y-axis is the vertical line on the plane. Alright, now we're going to label the coordinate plane. So always remember that you have to label your number lines. So we know this is your origin at 0, 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on down the line, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, up. This is our x-axis, x-axis. And this is our y-axis. So a coordinate plane has 4 quadrants, and they go in a counterclockwise motion from order from 1 to 4, starting in the upper right hand corner. And then it goes quadrant 1 is upper right, quadrant 2 is upper left, quadrant 3 is the lower left, and quadrant 4 is the lower right. And this is a picture of the quadrants. So quadrant 1 is all positive, quadrant 2 is your x is negative but your y is positive, quadrant 3 your x is negative and your y is negative, and quadrant 4 is your x is positive and your y is negative. So we're going to learn how to plot some points on a coordinate plane. So your ordered pair is your horizontal value, that's your x, and your y is your second value, and that's your vertical line. So it looks like this. So your x, y. And remember to label your graph. So let's try some. Alright, we gotta label our graph here. So make your number line. This is your origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, down, negative 1, negative 2, 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, and up, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Okay. So these are the ordered pairs I want you to graph. So remember, this is your x coordinate, and this is your y coordinate. So your x, you go over 2, 1, 2, and then you're going to go up 6 since it's positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And make your dot. Make sure you label it. 2, 6. Then you're also going to tell me what quadrant it's in, and it's in quadrant 1. You label that Q1. Alright, now your second point, negative 7, negative 4. So that's your x, this is your y. You're going to go over negative 7 on the x-axis. 7, and then go negative 4 down on the y-axis. dot, and label that -7, -4, and that's in quadrant 3. And last, just remember that we will have a short quiz when you come in to class, and remember to take notes because you will have a notebook check. All right.